Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Binge Bear and today I'm going to be doing something slightly different. I'm actually outside in one of my outbuildings, which is the outdoor office. Now we've been living here for about 3 years and we haven't really utilised most of the things that we actually have and we should really be taking advantage of. I'm blessed to have a crafty room indoors and I want to turn this space basically into my outdoor space where I'll be doing mainly my other crafty pursuits, whether that's diamond painting, cross stitching, and having somewhere I can store some things, as well as maybe perhaps more walls to put my diamond paintings on, maybe even some more bookshelves, you never know. But I hope this is something that I'm going to be able to transform and show you over the next couple of months. But there is some cleaning that needs to be done in here. I am blessed that it does have heating, it does have a Wi-Fi connection with a router, and it does have electricity, as well as a lovely fan that you can't really see when it does get too hot. The weather here today has been actually quite nice, so I'm going to be giving you a bit of a tour around the garden. You'll probably see the sunflowers, which we'll be putting up soon as well, and having a bit of a natter, and then I'm going to show you how I have been doing and jazzing some of my diamond paintings and showing you how I kind of make the best of them without spending an absolute fortune. So that's on the agenda today. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's go see what we're doing. So this video has pretty much been watching paint dry, but it's a great way of saving money. And also, if you're a seasonal painter like I am, if you want to showcase things in fall, over the Christmas festive period of time, it's a great way of being able to do so and saving some money. You can put that money towards, of course, other crafts. I do other crafts. I do cross stitch, paint by number, adult colouring, and like I've mentioned before, I'm learning crochet. So if I can save money and put that towards my other crafty pursuits, I'm winning. However, if you have learned something today, these tips have existed for a while within the diamond painting space. There will be other content creators where you can type in and get some ideas of how to save money. Some people put them in portfolios, some people choose not to hang them, but this is a way of me showcasing paintings, like I say, that mean something to me. I enjoy doing them, I enjoy hanging them. Unfortunately, my other half isn't as eager as I am to display my diamond paintings, so I've got to be creative, and that's what we've done today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do consider giving me a like or consider subscribing. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for continuing to engage with me, leaving comments, liking my content. It means, like I say, a lot. So I hope you have a lovely weekend. It is a holiday weekend here, so I'm going to be enjoying that. But I'll be back soon with another video. Take care of yourselves. Have a lovely, lovely weekend.